checking my phone and you're happy being alone and I've got you on my mind. Taking it right in my body, want you all over my body. Nights out and we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone and I've got you on my mind. I don't believe it, I'm thinking that we don't believe in love anymore. I hate this feeling, 'cause I won't be breathing you in my lungs anymore.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another adventure with us. So we've been traveling around Thailand to some really beautiful islands. If you haven't seen our other videos, we've been traveling all down south, and today we're on the beautiful island of Koh Tao.
So in this video we'll be showing you our resort that we'll be staying in. So the name of the resort is called Sai Daeng Resort, and wow, it's an amazing resort.
So the price we paid for our room here, this is a sea view that we're staying in. It's 1,600 baht a night. That's what we got it for, and that includes breakfast. So we're going to give you a quick tour of our room, and then we will show you a bit more about, well, a bit more around the hotel.
Taking it right in my body, want you all over my body. Nights out and we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone and I've got you on my mind.
So when you enter this room, you have this long passage, which is quite nice. The bed, a decent size, very nice. We've got our beautiful window nook here, which is really nice if you just want to relax or read a book. And here is our sea view, a bit more of a tree view, but you can see the sea through the trees. It's better from the balcony, which I'll show you just now. Okay, bed test, are you ready? Okay, it's firm, but it's nice enough that you'll get a good night's sleep. Which is, what is strange to me though, is these pillows. These pillows are probably the best pillows I've ever felt. They are so soft. Please look at this. It's like, look at that. It's amazing. These pillows don't suit the bed. Like, they need to, like, I guess this makes it better. But look how long these are as well. They're lovely. So, love those. Here you got your TV, as usual. If you come around here, we've got our closet. Nice big sliding doors for closets. I'm not going to open it because our clothes look like a bomb went off in there. Mini bar. Probably going to get into that later. And our bathroom. So I love the type of design. They've got like the cement type of very, even here, check the wood, what the beauty is. It's bamboo, right?
Right.
Yeah. And your rainfall shower, they give you some of your shower gel, shampoo with no conditioner. I don't get that. And oh, these are these incense things. I hope they're gonna like that because, ooh, I dropped something. It smells like water. Maybe that's for a leak. I don't know. Okay, so here's your body lotion as well, hand wash, really nice. And you've got windows that you can't see through, but I think that's because people can see in. But yeah, really beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to show you our balcony. Sorry, I'm only going to open up one side. And this is what I mean. Now you've got the sea view. This is absolutely stunning. Well, that's the end of our tour. Now we're going to show you around the hotel. They've got a big pool here, a restaurant, and we're on the beach. They also give you free kayaking, which is really nice because normally you have to pay like 200 baht, 300 baht for a kayak, but here the hotel gives it to you for free, which is lovely, and they got some really good snorkeling spots that we'll try out.
This is amazing. We're here at the swimming pool on our resort, and it has a whole infinity pool going on. It literally looks out towards the ocean. It's incredible.
Beautiful. It also has a swim up bar on the side. I'll show you some videos of it.
And then that side, obviously you can't see right now, it's got a walkway down to like a nice snorkeling area, which is also spot on.
So we'll show you some of the drone footage. This resort basically has a whole section that you can swim right around. It has a whole snorkeling area. So from the hotel you can either go on this side or you can go on this side. Okay, so this is Hin Ngam Beach, if I'm saying that right.
Yum.
So this beach is not exactly the beach you would come and tan, because obviously you can see this is all like corals and dead coral. It's not exactly the best for tanning, but I think this is where you would actually come down the rocks, and the snorkeling here is just
Phenomenal.
yeah, phenomenal. That's not even the word to explain how beautiful it is in there. And it's right here by the resort, so you get like free snorkeling right here. It's amazing. Okay, so this is the main beach on this resort. This is where everyone will come and tan. On this side, obviously, it's also a lot of corals, as you can see. But you go more that side, it's more softer sand. Okay, so up here is where we have breakfast in the morning. It's just the standard breakfast, you know, sausage and eggs, the ones you've seen in probably all our other videos. It's very standard here in Thailand, but decent, it's good. Great view for breakfast. So we usually try get this table in the morning. Okay, so we have quite a few options to choose from. Colors. What color are we going to choose, Jace?
I don't know, let's see. The red seems very common, so let's
I feel
go
like
for green.
we did red already, so let's choose a different color. You want to do green? What about orange?
So that one's got a nice seating area. It's got like a backrest.
Okay, so we're going to do green.
Very tiny one, yeah.
Okay, green it is.
So it's our last day here at this lovely Sai Daeng Resort.
We've had such a wonderful time here, and it's honestly, I would definitely recommend this place. We would probably stay at this hotel again if we came back to Koh Tao.
For sure.
And we're off to Bangkok again. Once again.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.